In this video, we are going to be learning how to construct a trapezium with ease. From drawing our lines to carving our arcs. This is BrainBoost and this is how to construct a trapezium. So now, we start by drawing our line using this measurements. As we can see, the first on the list is our base length, which is equals to 90 mm or 9 cm, as placed before us on the top right. To understand the difference between cm and mm better, do well to watch the popped video. And make sure to watch this video to the end because I'll be sharing with you an important fun fact and you won't want to miss that. So let's get back into the trapezium construction. So let's do the first on the list, which is the base length, 90 mm or 9 cm. We've done that. Then we name here and here points, AB. And then we're done with the base length. Then let's go to the height length, which is 40 mm or 4 cm. So we bring out our ruler again and then we measure 4 cm because this is a cm ruler, not mm. If you are using mm ruler, it's going to be 40. As I said, make sure to watch the video. Then we use faint lines and arc both A and B. I know in the beginning of this video it was 3 arcs we did another in the center, but it's not compulsory. But if you know you don't have stable hands, make sure to do that. So now we rule a line touching the top of these 2 arcs we made. Now that we've done that, we want to construct a 45 degree. So we draw a pretty large, more than half semicircle. Then without shifting our compass, we arc, go to that same point and arc again. So that you won't be confused, let's name here and here points, CD. Then, now that our compass is still here, we open it to a wider range, then our 90. We're just doing this because we don't want to rule an extra line. You might be confused on how this 90 degree is being drawn, but don't worry, I'll explain it. We open, we arc here, come to this point, come to this point and arc here. Then we rule a straight line touching this point. So let's name here and here points, EF, and this point, G. So this 45 degree we just constructed was gotten from this arc. So when we drill this and we arc, we all know it's going to give us 60 degree, right? And when we arc again, this will give us 120. So the gap between G and H, so this is G, this is H, is 60 degree. So this 60 and this 60 is giving us the 120. Then this place is our 60. When we bisect it, we get 30. So here to here, which is 60, plus this 30 will give us 90 degree. than us drawing a semicircle and start constructing it. I hope you understand. So now we perform our final length, which is the top length, 60 mm or 6 cm. We bring out our ruler once more, bring out our compass, place it on 0, and open to 6 or 60 if you are using mm ruler. Then we name here points I. Then we place our pin on point I, facing our pencil to point D. We arc. We're practically done. So we just rule from B to D. From B to our marked points, or from B to J. So the difference between trapezium and trapezoid, as promised, the fun fact is UK say trapezium, while USA, United States of America, say trapezoid. So this is the end of the construction of a trapezium or a trapezoid. Sorry for my ugly writing. So